You have seen this industry from the inside for the last 2.5 decades. What's one fundamental thing about how wood behaves in Indian conditions that even experienced architects often underestimate?
So, see, wood as a material has its own physiology, right? When I say physiology, I just mean इसका wood का जो reaction है दूसरे elements के साथ, it's pretty standard. Once you understand that, then you can draw down conclusions based on geography, contextually कैसे काम करेगा. So जो behavior है इंडिया के अंदर अगर हम देखें, it was more about understanding the material than wood itself. Wood तो wood ही है, right? कैसे behave करेगी, and world over it has been used very successfully. So अगर आप सिर्फ example लें US का, it's been used extensively there. So अगर USA की geography हम देखेंगे तो there are places which are like deserts, like Texas, middle area है US का, that area to particularly up north, right in the mountains, and there are coastal areas. So pretty much very varied geography है वहाँ पर. तो वहाँ की जो climate है, I saw that the wood is performing like beautifully.
Yeah.
चाहे एक्सटीरियर में लगाएं, चाहे उसको इंडोर्स में लगाएं, इंडोर्स में भी एप्लीकेशंस हैं सच एज वुड फ्लोर्स, वॉल पैनल्स, फर्नीचर एंड फसाड्स के अंदर बार परगोलास बन रहे हैं, डेक्स बन रहे हैं, सब कुछ हो रहा है. सो देन द होल आइडिया वाज टू अंडरस्टैंड ओके हाउ इफ इट इज परफॉर्मिंग सक्सेसफुली ओवर देयर, देन इनिशियली देयर दिस कन्वर्सेशन केम इन कि वुड इज नॉट मेंट फॉर इंडिया, which is not true, right? Go to South India, you look at architecture, old architecture, you see tons of constructions or buildings where wood has been used very successfully और बहुत पुराने से चल रही है.
True.
ठीक है, same is the case. Go up north in Kashmir and you find it like you're doing pretty well. So you'll find examples all across the country. So it was more about understanding how wood behaves with respect to changes in humidity. कैसे ह्यूमिडिटी जब बढ़ती है तो क्या होता है, जब वो कम होती है तो क्या होता है, अदर contextual challenges like insects and all that, how does it perform? Once you understand that, then you're able to kind of evolve your own installation techniques which work very well in our geography, very successful.
All right. So now when you look at a project brief compared from today versus 10 years ago, how was the role of wood flooring and facades changed? As in the hierarchy, what people, look at first? Do they look at the facades, how the exterior of their home is looking, or it's more about the interior flooring now?
Okay. So I think it's a very subjective thing, depending on के clients को क्या पसंद है and how they interact with their designers. The designers basically advise to them कि किस तरह से बना सकते हैं वो. So people have been using traditionally wood exteriors के case के अंदर to bring an element of warmth. So typically when we keep asking customers like, why did you choose wood? Either for your floors or your facade. One repeated answer that we get, natural hai, is like warm. So that's the warmth aspect of it keeps coming back. So when we are doing a building facade, for example, you're using stone, you're using maybe some metal, and then using some glass, all that. So these are kind of hard materials. Wood itself brings an element of softness and warmth on the facade. So designers and clients, they want to use it strategically so that maintenance भी उनकी बहुत कम रहे और उसका जो the warmth, the aspect that they want to kind of really care about, वो निकल के आ सके. So आज के projects के अंदर वही situation है. wood floors indoor की भी बात करें तो जब हम पूछते हैं उनसे कि अच्छा क्यों लगा रहे हैं आप लोग, so routinely कि जब हम चलते हैं उसके ऊपर barefoot, आपका घर है, you want to be comfortable, you'll be walking barefoot on it. So when you put your foot down, it's very comfortable. That's the thing that we routinely, get from them. And leave aside the fact that, it looks like very beautiful when done properly. बहुत सारे formats हैं, बहुत सारे color tones हैं, so you can really mix and match and, do a wonderful job.